most famous words in motorsports, please welcome the chairman of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, Roger Penske.
What a great day today, and thank you for staying here for this delay. But race fans all over the world, you're going to see the most iconic race, the finest race in racing here today at the 108th running of the Indianapolis 500. But more important, this day is for the men and the women and the first responders who keep our country safe and secure. Let's give them a big hand. Now on to the greatest race. Drivers, start your engines. There he is, the captain, Roger Penske. And
Cool.
the captain says it's time to go.